Hello to all my friends out there. So I want to start a new thing, and what it's going to be is it's going to be a crazy cheap show every night at 5 o'clock starting tonight. Okay, so the first meal is going to be a tasty taco dinner. Okay, see how crispy my tortillas are? To get them this crispy, you have to fry them in a very hot heat. And I have some sangria, non-alcoholic. Don't have a heart attack for those of you who know me. And I have some ice. I froze half ice. And I have 2. Because these are little cups, you guys, to go with my tacos. Yummy, yummy. Yummy, yummy, yummy. It's hot here. 1 for me, 1 for myself, and 1 for I. This stuff's good. You should try it if you haven't tried it. Walmart. Okay, so here is my tasty taco meat, and I just tipped my pan, and this is the grease. So just throw that. This is good. I'll give you the recipe at the end. Here is my refried beans. I've made them a million times. So let's see what's gonna happen here. Okay. Uh-oh, well, that's what happens when you get your tortillas really, really crispy. It's worth it though. They taste really good crispy. Really good. But these are really, really crispy. Yummy. I will give you the recipe for this in a second. This is really going to taste good. This is really, really going to taste good after those no carb days. If I had put the meat in right after I cooked them, things would have been good, but you know, that's hard to do. Oh, yummy. And so I made the salsa just out of Rotel tomatoes. I started doing that. Where's my spoon? I'll leave the top off so you guys can see. Yummy. And a few tomatoes and a little lettuce. I wanted like a little taco bar. Let me make sure my taco bar is visible. I'll make it visible at the end. And then I have a little cheese. Oh, I forgot the rice. And this is a cost-effective meal as well. I just made a small batch of beans, and I made these beans from scratch. Where's my pepper? Well, I can't find my pepper, but... Okay, now we need a little cheese. Yummy. You know, you can take 1,000 women and they all make tacos different. Every last one of them. I think mine could stand on their own. Take a look at this, you guys. All right, I want to move the camera over to my taco bar, and then I'm going to give you guys the recipe for everything. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, here is the black bean recipe, and I use the speed method. But all you have to know for the refried beans is I fried in about a teaspoon because it was a small batch of bacon drippings, and then I thinned it with evaporated milk and water. I'll post this on Twitter. Now let me give you my hamburger meat. This hamburger meat is yummy. And so I used no special ingredients in this, but it's good. And then oregano. All right, now let me take this taco, and I will tell you. If it tastes good, I will tell you. If it tastes no good, this is delicious. Those are the best refried beans you are ever gonna make. Sometimes I put chorizo, but you don't need it if you have bacon. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Okay, you guys, God bless you. Oh, I would like to invite you to like. I would like to invite you to comment and to subscribe. And I hope to see you here tomorrow at 5 o'clock. And God bless you all.